Now for December, for me it's all about Christmas. Now there are 2 or 3 things I really like to get ahead of myself on, because we always put some Christmas lights up and it's a great time of year to do that. But what I generally do, and this is a bit of a sneaky thing, is if I get a nice day in early December or even late November, I'll pop the lights up. Just don't turn them on until just before Christmas. But of course I would have done it in the comfort of a nice day when it wasn't raining and you're not going up and down ladders in slippery weather. The other thing to think about is, if you've got some container plants that look great either side of the door, think about putting perhaps a pair of hollies either side of your door in some decorative pots. They will look amazing for the festive season, and of course because hollies are hardy and they're perennial, they'll come back and be there year after year looking fantastic each and every Christmas. But even in the summer months they're still going to look fantastic with their evergreen foliage. Any hanging baskets or patio pots, do make sure you stay on top of things like deadheading and, believe it or not, even watering. So any plants in pots at this time of year, you may think, well, I don't need to water because it's been raining. Well, trust me, you really do need to check, because even if it's been raining, a lot of that water will have just umbrellaed away from the plants because that's the way the leaves guide them. So you may well still need to stay on top of that watering. But with your hanging baskets, your patio pots, of course, really do make sure that you remove any spent flowers, and that will encourage even more bigger displays for longer. Now finally, when it comes to the wild birds in December, this is really a crunch month. This is when the temperatures plummet. So just like November, do make sure you keep your bird feeders full. Make sure that those wild birds have got something to sustain them through the cold days. And of course, when you're eating your Christmas dinner, I always think it's lovely to make sure the wild birds in your garden have got something to eat too.